this video, I'm going to show you how to make an After Effects background on Canva. Let's go to our website and click on Presentation here. So we'll be creating a new one. So this is like a standard size of a presentation. So we don't need to resize it or what. You can see some templates here on the left side. You can click on them if you'd like to, but we will be having an After Effects background. So let's start from scratch. Okay, so let's go and have the elements. Should we have our background white? Maybe not. Let's try to change the background color. So just click on the page and you'll see background color at the upper part. Let's have a gradient one. What about that? No, I think it's too dark. So let's edit. Which color should we pick? Gradient? Okay, yeah, we're gonna have gradient, but a lighter one. Pastel, like that. Okay, I think that's fine now. And ew, that doesn't look good. Okay, let's just have a solid color. This solid color then. Okay, let's have a solid color document. Ooh, this one is good. Just like that. And let's add some elements now. So here at this side, you'll see different elements. How about we add some borders? So let's click and type borders here. Graphics. They look great. I want these flowers, but our background is already pink. Can we change them? Ooh, better. But there are still some not so visible pink flowers, so okay, but it looks nice, so I'll be using this. Put this here and duplicate it. Just click on duplicate and add another one here. Okay, just like that. All right, so we can now proceed to another element. Click on element again. And how about, oh my God, I'm really bad at this. Oh, let's click this one here and change the color. Or just edit this. You can edit this one. Like change the filter. What about this? Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, there you go. All right, now for the last one, I'll be adding another one here, but maybe something sassy too. We love sassy things. Yeah, I like this. I don't know what kind of presentation I'm making though, but anyway, I love it. Just like that. Now let's try to make it a little bit like moving. So let's click on this element and click animate. How about pan? Okay, so that's our transition. Now this one, I like it to be, oh, I think we can add a bee, right? Let's have the elements again and search for a bee since we have flowers here, right? Bees will be attracted to them. Let's try to have this. So this is still a little bit academic since we have a pencil here. So this bee should be flying. I'll be putting it here, like at that corner, and it'll be flying here, like that. Okay, let's click on that element again, the bee. Okay, and animate. Create an animation there. So let's move it like ooh, swirling like that and like that. Haha, that looks nice, right? Okay, so that's our motion. Now let's add a text. Something like thank you. Okay, this one looks good. Well, we'll be changing the color. Thank you. Okay, our color will be, okay, which colors do we have? Okay, blue. Not maroon, right? That looks fine, but okay. Let's have blue. This, no, that's already blue. This blue? No way. It doesn't look good. I'm telling you, I'm bad at this. What about green? The green one is okay. Okay, let's just go for green and another green. There you go. And this should also be moving. So let's click on effects. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, okay, there. And then effects. No, animate. Click on animate and have something like, okay, tectonic is okay. All right, this one should be scrapbook. No, it doesn't look nice. How about pulse? No, flicker. You can just go on and continue your After Effects background. That's about it. That's how you can make an After Effects background on Canva. Just try to play on every element that we have here. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.